how to turn on safe mode on Android. This tutorial shows you how to boot your device into safe mode to troubleshoot app issues on your Android device. First, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears on your screen. After that, tap and hold on the power off option. From there, a prompt will appear asking if you want to reboot into safe mode. At this point, tap on safe mode to confirm. In the next step, your device will automatically restart and boot into safe mode. Following this, once your device boots back up, you'll see a safe mode label at the bottom left corner of your screen, confirming that it is active. Once done, in safe mode, all third-party apps will be temporarily disabled so you can identify if any installed app is causing issues on your device. Finally, to exit safe mode, simply press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap restart to reboot your device back to normal mode. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you turn on safe mode, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.